Welcome to Inside the Perry Housing Market, where we break down what different price points actually look like across Perry, Georgia. Because in this market, the difference between two homes at the same price can mean completely different lifestyles. Most buyers assume that if their budget is somewhere between $250,000 and $300,000, their options are pretty limited. But here in Perry, that price point actually opens the door to three completely different lifestyles: new construction neighborhoods, older homes closer to downtown, or even houses sitting on several acres of land. So today, we're driving through Perry to show you what $250,000 to $300,000 actually buys you in this market. Right now, there are about 42 homes listed in Perry between $250,000 and $300,000, spread across roughly a dozen different neighborhoods throughout the town. The average home in this range is around 1,900 square feet, typically 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and homes are averaging about 2 months on the market. But the most interesting part of this price point is the mix. About 17 of those homes are new construction, while the rest are resale properties, which means buyers here aren't just comparing houses, they're choosing between different ways of living in Perry. One of the most common options a buyer will see in this price range are newer construction communities. A good example is Avington Glen subdivision, located just off of Kings Chapel Road near some of Perry's newer retail development. When you drive through here, the neighborhood has a strong community feel. Kids riding bikes, families outside, neighbors walking the streets. Homes here are typically around 1,600 to 1,700 square feet with 3 to 4 bedrooms and modern open layouts. What surprises many buyers is the finish level. Even at this price point, you'll often see upgraded touches like decorative kitchen hoods, court-style countertops, and layouts that feel more custom than typical entry-level construction. The trade-off is lot size. Homes are built closer together than older neighborhoods, which is typical for newer subdivisions. Another neighborhood buyers will see in this price range is Sugar Creek subdivision, located just off of Langston Road. One of the biggest advantages here is proximity to Langston Elementary, which is only about half a mile away. For families, that means school is basically a 2-minute drive. Right now, there are about 5 homes listed in Sugar Creek between $294,000 and $299,000. 4 of these homes are new construction and 1 is a resale. The builder currently developing much of this neighborhood is Kalmar Homes. Most of the homes here are around 1,700 square feet, single-story layouts with front entry garages and covered back porches. But not every buyer in this price range wants to live in a subdivision. One of the things that makes Perry unique is that you can still find homes sitting on several acres of land, even close to town. One property I looked at today was about 1,500 square feet, sitting on 3 acres. These homes aren't located in planned neighborhoods. Instead, you'll see a mix of housing types: single-family homes, manufactured homes, and older houses, each with their own character. Buyers here are usually prioritizing privacy, space, and land over having brand new construction. The third type of home buyers will find in this price range are older homes located close to downtown Perry. One example is the Woodland neighborhood, located just about 1 mile from downtown. That means you're roughly a 3-minute drive to the historic downtown square, and many residents even take golf carts into town. Most homes in this area were built between the late 1950s and early 1970s, typically single-story ranch houses on larger lots. One home I saw today was built in 1959, had nearly 2,400 square feet, and sat on roughly 2/3 of an acre. It was originally listed at $380,000, but recently dropped to $300,000, likely because the interior needs updating. One thing I always point out to buyers about Perry is how quickly the environment can change. You can be minutes from grocery stores, restaurants, and new developments, and then drive past orchards and farmlands. That balance between small-town character and everyday convenience is one of the reasons Perry continues attracting buyers. So when buyers ask what $250,000 to $300,000 buys you in Perry, the real answer isn't just square footage. It's lifestyle, new construction, larger properties with land, or older homes close to downtown. And understanding those differences is what helps buyers make smarter decisions in this market. If you want to see more breakdowns like this across different price points in Perry, make sure you subscribe. And if you're curious about what homes are currently available in this price range, Drop a comment below or reach out. I'm always happy to share what I'm seeing locally.